Irregular galaxies. When Hubble was classifying galaxies, there were some that just did not fit in. And these galaxies he called irregular, and they have the designation IRR to indicate irregular. When it comes to the appearance of irregular galaxies and their characteristics, pretty much anything goes. There is no standard shape. So any shape that's not spiral and not elliptical is going to be an irregular galaxy. The stars that we find in irregulars, some are older generation. That's poor wording. Hang on, let me erase that. Later generation. Some are first generation. Some have heavy elements. Some have only hydrogen and helium. So there's no set composition. Some have a lot of gas and dust. Some have hardly any gas and dust, which means some are going to have a lot of star formation, those with a lot of gas and dust, and some will have hardly any star formation, those who don't have a lot of gas and dust. What distinguishes irregular galaxies from spirals and ellipticals is that irregulars are made from spirals and ellipticals. They didn't form this way. They changed into this shape. And what's changing them is gravity. So what we are looking at are galaxies that are being pulled apart by gravity. And there's two main ways this happens. One is if you have a small galaxy orbiting a large galaxy. So let's say up here is our giant large galaxy, and this is our small galaxy. Well, gravitationally, the big galaxy is going to win. And what it's going to do is basically rip that small galaxy apart. And this is sometimes called galactic cannibalism. Our own Milky Way is doing this. And this is one of the galaxies we're doing this to. This is the Small Magellanic Cloud. And we are slowly eating that galaxy. So all the stars that are currently in the Small Magellanic Cloud will eventually be a part of the Milky Way. Another way to make an irregular galaxy is to have two galaxies that are similar in size collide with each other or get really, really close to each other. This is sometimes called a merger. So in this picture, we are seeing the remnants of two spirals. We see what used to be the central bulges of those two spirals. We've got hints of some spiral arm structure going on here, but it has been terribly, terribly distorted. And so you get this irregular shape because of that.